Workflow at a standstill because of the ProDAD Mercalli 20 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix ProDAD conflict for good. To begin the walkthrough for ProDAD Mercalli 20, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the ProDAD Mercalli 20, the ProDAD Mercalli v2.0 library. It provides unmanaged localized high-performance routines for localized video stabilization and localized CMOS distortion correction manifests. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. ProDAD Mercalli 20 belongs to the ProDAD bundle and is unique to that software. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of ProDAD will restore this file along with its related binary components. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the ProDAD Mercalli 20 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. A quick safety warning: never download files like ProDAD Mercalli 20 DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for ProDAD Mercalli 20. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got ProDAD Mercalli 20 working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.